First of all, thanks for giving for me for opportunity for this interview. My name is Shyam Vinayakrao Kharkar. I am living from Jalgaon, and I am uh, I, I I am completing my graduation in 2018, and after completing diploma, and now I am pursuing the BIM course from Unique Civil, uh, uh, and I in this course, I have practices many more project, one apartment project, two residential project, and one scan to beam project. I am quick learner and a hard worker. That's
Brief about myself. Okay. Now, Mr. Shyam, what's your daily routine, daily schedule?
sir. My daily routine is I am in working in job, so 10 to 7 is my job time. One hours and 1 hours or 2 hours going to in travelings.
12 hours basically you spend, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's your job role?
Sir, site engineer, road engineering.
Road engineers. How your old experience is useful for us as a being company?
Actually, my work experience in building construction and road construction, sir.
So, how that experience is useful for me, for my organization?
Sir, my internship is going on Unique Civil from last 6 months in part time, sir.
को यहाँ पर एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, समझ रहे हो? तो अपने स्किल्स
Yes.
को दिखा नहीं पा रहे, इसीलिए बोलता हूँ कि मॉक ज़रूरी है। इसको तुम ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि आई एम डूइंग जॉब राइट नाउ एज अ साइट इंजीनियर। इन दैट जॉब आई एम लर्निंग लाइक हाउ टू मैनेज द टीम, how to guide the teams, ठीक है, what are the basic technical requirements as an on the site. I'm just applying that. I think that all the skills which is I learn on site I can apply in the beam, your beam companies, and it enhanced our work efficiency या work quality, ऐसा कुछ बता सकते। और ये तुम्हें प्लान रखना पड़ेगा, ये क्वेश्चन तो देखो तुमसे पूछा जाएगा। श्याम, नेट ऑफ हो गया क्या लग रहा है तुम्हारा, या फिर नेट बंद हो गया? हेलो, शायद इनका नेट कनेक्शन चला गया गाइस। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मिस्टर मनीष पंडित।
Hello, sir.
हेलो मनीष, ट्राई टू ऑन योर वीडियो। मैंने प्लान किया आज सबका वीडियो ऑन होगा, तभी हम
Yes,
लोग
sir.
बात करेंगे, ठीक है? सो मिस्टर मनीष, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Good evening, sir. My name is Manish Pandit. I live in Surat, Gujarat. I did my graduation in June 2023 in civil engineering. I have done. I have sorry. Currently, I am pursuing a BIM professional course from Unique Civil. In this course, I have learned AutoCAD 2D, AutoCAD 3D, Revit architecture, Revit structure, Tekla, and Naviswork. In AutoCAD 2D, I, I have made plan sections, floor plan, and in Revit, I in Revit I have made in Revit I learned how to create floor plan sections, uh, scheduling, material, quantity takeoff, etc. In this course, I have done five project totals, in which there are many apartment project, school project, and that's brief about myself. Thank you, sir.
सो मिस्टर मनीष, you want to make your career in BIM. Is there any specific reason why you want to make your career in BIM?
I think it's a growing field in right now in building
Okay, what's your
construction
strength?
industry.
What's your strengths?
My strengths are I am hardworking, quick learner, and I hope that's it.
Hardworking and quick
Quick
learners.
learner.
Okay, give me an example. You are hardworking. How can I believe? Give me an example.
What, sir?
Give me an example कि how can I like know कि you are the hardworking guy. an example of your life so that I can trust on you. You are the hardworking person.
Like sir, I've done hardworking. Whatever I do in my life, I give it fully. Like I give my full potential in it.
Okay. So, how many lectures you watch in Tekla?
In Tekla, I watch one lecture.
One lecture you watch.
Like
Can you?
it started right.
Okay. So you just start try to create the
One
column
Tekla.
and beam. Is done. Column and
Yes.
beam. Very good. Okay. And which company made the Tekla software?
Tekla software, Autodesk. No, I don't know,
What
sir.
are, what are the file formats in Revit?
RVT, RFA, RTF, or RFT.
Okay.
Revit family file, Revit project file, Revit family template.
Very good. What are the different types of ceiling we can create in Revit?
Sir, I
Ceilings,
can't hear you.
ceiling, different types of ceilings in Revit.
Different types of ceilings.
Hmm.
Different types of ceiling. Automated ceiling and sketch ceiling.
Very good. And types of array in Revit.
Polar and line array, polar array, and radial. I don't.
Difference between import CAD and insert CAD. Sorry, import CAD
Link.
and link CAD.
In link, if we change the AutoCAD file, it will also change in Revit file. And in import, if we change the AutoCAD file, it will not affect the Revit file.
Very good. What's your salary expectations, Mr. Manish?
Sir, what?
What's your salary expectations?
Sir, right now I expect as a fresher 20,000.
Okay. Uh, in my company there is a 2 year bond. Are you comfortable to work with us with 2 year bond?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. So थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर मनीष वेरी गुड आप पॉजिटिव टूवर्ड्स गए पूरे इंटरव्यू में और अच्छा रिस्पांस किया तरीके से तो ऐसे करोगे तो देखो हो जाएगा बस प्रैक्टिस ये करना है
बता
कि
दें,
बोलो बोलो
आज एक बीम मंत्रा का किसी का था, जेनेसिस टेक्नोलॉजी,
जेनेसिस
जेनेसिस टेक करके पुणे का।
हाँ
तो उनका इंटरव्यू था, तो ऐसा ही गया था। लाइक उन्होंने एलओडी के बारे में पूछा था, तो मैंने बता दिया था। तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि पर रेविट स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में मेरे को नॉलेज नहीं है, क्योंकि वो मेरा पूरा पार्ट बाकी है। मैं आर्किटेक्चर पे ही था तब, और फिर मैंने एमईपी शुरू कर दिया, फिर वो मैंने स्किप ही कर दिया था। तो उन्होंने उसमें से पूछा तो थोड़ा नहीं आया, तो उन्होंने बोला कि एज अ इंटर्न अभी हम रख सकते हैं, वो भी एचआर बताएंगे आपको। तो अभी तक उनका फ़ोन आया नहीं है ऐसा।
बहुत बढ़िया काफ़ी हद तक पॉजिटिव है अच्छी बात है
हाँ, तो सर वो कैसी है कंपनी जेनेसिस
अच्छी है
करके?
जैसे अच्छी फॉर्म है ठीक है
ओके,
कर सकते हो स्टार्ट कर सकते हो थोड़ा सा और
ठीक।
मेहनत किए होते तो सिलेक्शन हो जाता वहाँ पर अपने कई स्टूडेंट्स काम कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी
हाँ सर,
ठीक है चलेगा
वो ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर का आ गया ना, इसीलिए।
कोई बात नहीं अभी प्रिपेयर कर लो ठीक है जब जागा तभी सवेरा
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
चलेगा हाँ जी आपका नेट ऑफ हो गया था श्याम आपका लैपटॉप ऑन ऑफ हो गया था राइट लेट्स रिज्यूम द योर इंटरव्यू इफ यू वांट श्याम अपना माइक ऑन कर लो
Yes, sir.
लेट्स लाइक थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है सो जस्ट ऑन योर माइक एंड वीडियो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ यू एंड इसके बाद हम लोग मयूर जी का इंटरव्यू करेंगे उसके बाद विराज का करेंगे कोई और भी रेडी है तो ड्रॉप कर सकता है कमेंट यस मिस्टर श्याम डिफरेंस बिटवीन पैरामेट्रिक फैमिली एंड नॉन पैरामेट्रिक फैमिली
Sir, in parametric family, we can change the dimension and its measurement. And non-parametric family, we cannot edit measurement of etc.
ओके एंड व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय नेस्टेड फैमिली
Nested family, sir.
नो आइडिया इट्स
No.
what do you understand by LOD 200 and LOD 300
So they
Sir, LOD 200 is a detailing, and LOD 300 in scheduling.
schedulings okay as per you that is scheduling now what do you understand by 70 and 80
Sir, I am not prepared about.
ठीक है, थोड़ी और प्रिपरेशन कर लो श्याम, थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन पे भी वर्क करना पड़ेगा। देखो अब हिम्मत किए हो ना कि मुझे बीम में कैरियर स्विच करना है, तो इस हिम्मत
Yes,
को असली अंजाम तभी होगा जब एक भी मिनट हमारा जाया ना हो मोबाइल फ़ोन पे या फिर किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे। ठीक है, कर लोगे,
yes,
हो जाएगा, लाइफ टाइम टेंशन फ्री हो जाओगे। ठीक है,
yes, sir.
चलो ओके जी, चलो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ हमने किसको बोला था भाई, मयूर जी को बोला था क्या? मयूर रेडी,
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, एंड मयूर पदवीराज। चलिए मयूर जी से शुरू करते हैं। सो
So can I turn on? Because I'm outside.
you are outside of your home?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, no sure. In how many companies till now you applied for the job, Mr. Mayur?
Around 10 companies, sir.
10 companies. And you got any call, any like a reply from there, any company?
No, sir.
Not
Any
now.
reply from?
You edit the resume all time, or you just use the common resume with all the companies?
No, sir. Every time I edit my resume for description of company JD.
Very good. Okay. So, and portfolio already completed as you just saw the earlier, right?
Yes,
Okay. Mainly in which location you just apply for the job?
sir. Pune location. I prepare that.
Pune locations. And you talk with any employees of any companies?
No, sir. I just connect with LinkedIn, sir. But no, no any vacancy are there.
Okay, they are saying like that. You just talk with anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just try to talk as much as persons you can. ठीक है, so that कि because if they recommend you, तो directly you can get the shortlistings. ठीक है, तो definitely you just apply from the third party as you are applying right now. But with that, try to apply by reference, and for reference you need to talk with the LinkedIn guys for the different employees if they are working some in companies, especially just try to follow the higher level employee, yani being coordinator, being manager, like that. You can just say to them ki sir, I'm looking for the job in this profile, if that is available, please recommend my resume, like that, and this is my work which is I learn in my during internship. इस तरीके से impressive लाइन अगर तुम बोलते हो, big possibilities की response आएगा मयूर. It will take time because there is right now there is a very less openings. After 1 of April, definitely you will see the lots of openings will already start. So I will show you that ki how many openings are there. So don't worry, just wait for 10 days.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
I just connected with the BIM modeler positions employees, sir.
Be a modeler. Yes. देखो, see what are the profile in which you can apply. Did you know?
BIM modeler.
No. Beam structural modeler, beam architectural modeler, and with that beam architects, beam technician, beam engineer. These are the 5 profiles in which you can apply. Okay, just search like that. Always try to search like beam jobs, not beam modeler jobs. Then you will get very less openings. Okay, one keyword is not sufficient. So just search beam jobs. So you will get already different type of jobs. Even you can search 3D modeler job also. Okay, in few companies there is a profile name 3D modeler, or work is related to beam only. You can apply that also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, to use 5 to 6 keywords so that you can get the number of openings. Well, so right now you just started your Tekla. So how many lectures you watch in Tekla?
2 lectures, sir. Up to the
2.
lecture.
Very good. 2 lectures you watch, and you just try to create the column and beam, right?
Yeah, I will. I can
Okay.
send.
Okay, you just already send us. Okay, very nice. So which company made the Tekla software?
Trimble, sir.
Trimble.
made the total.
Very good. What are the things we can do in Tekla?
Just place create the grid line, place a column, beam, slab, and their property changes, panel.
Okay.
There are the things are doing that.
Okay. What is the use of Revit MEP? Explain in brief. What are the things you know in Revit MEP?
Revit MEP is basically, sorry sir, I can't explain like that.
Okay. In Revit structure, what are the things we can do?
Revit structure.
Hmm.
uh, column placement, beam placement, footing placement, slab placement, structure, steel structure. I make a steel structure shed, steel G+9 steel building.
Very good. In minimum number of bars we can provide in circular column, how much?
In circular column,
Hmm.
six number.
6. Okay, and minimum percentage of steel in column?
2%, sir. 2 to 4% of steel.
Minimum.
Yes, sir. 2%.
And compressive strength of first class brick?
Sorry, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मयूर। मयूर थोड़ा सा बेसिक्स पढ़ना पड़ेगा दोस्त, अदरवाइज कोई भी टेक्निकल पर्सन अगर आपका इंटरव्यू लेगा ना तो गड़बड़ कर देगा। भले ही आप बीम के क्वेश्चन पढ़े रहो, पर टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन आना जरूरी है, समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
तो वो जो पीडीएफ दिया सब उसी में से है। मिनिमम परसेंटेज गलत बता रहे हैं आप। अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू लेने चले विराज का, उसके बाद नीतीश का। तो देखिए आप ये आंसर करेंगे आपको, ठीक है, चलेगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर विराज। So Mr. Viraj,
Hello, good evening, sir.
good evening. Minimum and maximum percentage of steel in column, how much we can provide, Viraj?
Sir, it's 2 to 5%.
2 to 5. And in column,
Sorry,
in beam, sorry, in column, you said 2 to 5%. In beam,
sir, in beam it's 0.2 to 0.7.
0.2 to 0.7. And the types of beam,
So simply supported beam, continuous beam, fixed beam, overhanging beam,
okay,
cantilever beam.
continue. And difference between singly reinforced beam and doubly reinforced beam. Difference between singly reinforced beam and doubly reinforced beam. No idea. Okay.
Can't remember.
Okay. Difference between one way slab and two way slab.
Sir, there is a ratio of larger span to shorter span is less than 2 is two-way slab, then it's greater than 2 is one-way slab.
Okay. And minimum size of column, how much we can provide? Column size.
So minimum size is 230 by 230.
230 by 230 what? Centimeter?
Sir, mm.
Standard A4 paper size.
Sir, it's 210 by 190.
190. Okay. And what is my federated model?
Federated model. Sir, I can't remember.
Okay. What is COVI?
Yes, sir.
What is COVI? COVI.
I can't remember, sir.
Okay, not sure. But you need to be remember. You can just revise the things, विराज। बेसिक्स को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा। देखो अभी जब रेविट आर्किटेक्चर आप पढ़ते थे तो बेसिक की ज़रूरत नहीं थी। अभी आप पढ़ रहे हैं टेक्निकल स्ट्रक्चर्स, इसमें बेसिक्स पूछा जाएगा कंपनी के द्वारा, ठीक है। कनेक्शंस को लेके बेसिक्स पूछा जाएगा, रेनफोर्समेंट को लेके बेसिक्स पूछा, क्योंकि वही तो कर रहे हो ना इसके अंदर, ठीक है। तो इसमें बेसिक्स ऐड हो जाती है, तो इसलिए अब आपको बेसिक्स स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा बीम के क्वेश्चंस के अलावा। अगर टिकला में
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर। जो भी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर नहीं कर पाए हो, ये नहीं देखना है कि सारे जो भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं कर पाए हो इनको दोबारा पढ़ लो, जिससे ये गलत हो, ठीक है।
सर मुझे SCCPL ने दिया हुआ है एक बनाने के लिए।
अच्छा,
वो मतलब हाँ, उसका आर्किटेक्चरल हो गया और उन्होंने स्टील भी ड्रॉ करना है सर, उसमें वो हो गया कल सबमिट।
मुझे दिखाना, व्हाट्सएप कर दो, मुझे देखूँ मैं क्या बनाया हो और क्या उन्होंने दिया है।
सर जूनियर BIM इंजीनियर रोल के लिए।
बहुत बढ़िया। मुझे वो जो तुमने बनाया है वो मुझे DM करना व्हाट्सएप पर, और जो उन्होंने दिया वो भी बताना और जो तुमने बनाया वो भी दिखाना, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
मैं देख के बताता हूँ कि तुम्हारा क्या लेवल तक गया हुआ है। वेरी गुड। चलिए नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर विराज। एंड नेक्स्ट इज हमने किसको बोला था, नीतीश। नीतीश के बाद हम लोग आएंगे आदर्श वर्मा जी के पास, और उसके बाद अक्षय यादव जी के पास।
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Mr. Nitish, you just dropped the message. I was busy to prepare my tool that was has given from the company. What was the tool?
Yeah,
Can you
yes, sir.
the tool test?
Tour is that is a architectural part, sir.
Okay, for any company,
Yeah, yeah. So that's a built-in company. They
brand
provide
new
me
company. So in that company, just
built-in.
okay. What was the role? What was the work in that company? Means tool test was.
Uh, they, I think, sir, they work mainly interior part. I think that is a role for BIM architect, something
Acha.
like this.
Okay, so
Yeah,
what
yeah.
what test they offer you?
So they offer me a tool text. There is a building, and I have to just prepare interior and exterior parts, and some there are some families also.
Okay, so what
Yeah.
is by nested family?
Actually, sir, but national family is a family that inside the family I like door handle. Okay. Yeah.
What is the use of wave range?
View range. View range is a set of horizontal plates plans that control the visibility and graphic of the uh, display.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
and what is the importance of duplicate in Revit?
uh, Duplicate importance in that when we make the duplicate, then original original element is separate, and we work with a duplicate element.
Okay, and why should we hire you?
Actually, I'm a quick learner and a hard worker, sir, and I can work independently. And I assure that I will always try to do my best, and always try to give my 100% in any type of task.
Okay, so what are the round they take in their current company in which you is trying to do the tool test?
This is the final round, sir, because an HR and interview that is completed. This is the final round.
So in HR, what are the question they ask?
HR just asked so simply things, and he just took the company JD and just asked for, do you know this? Do you know this? And I just reply him.
Okay, and in technical questions or technical round, what are the question they ask?
Technical question. There is a person. He is the I like founder type person. Of that. He was asking me that about family and about architectural part also. And actually, he asked me briefly about why I want to join in BIM industry, because he asked me, you are working on a side job, and you are just you have just almost 5 to 6 years experience, more than it, and you are just want to change your job. What is the reason? Then I was just explain him briefly and so detail, so he understand that why I am just want to join the BIM industry.
Okay, so mainly one question or they ask the different technical questions also?
Actually, he asked me the technical question also, but that is so small questions, and like something so small, not so brief, not so hard questions.
And that I want
But
to know. What are the basic
yeah,
questions?
as like he was asking me about architectural part as like family uh, and interior part. Mainly, he asked about the interior part, interior design, because I think they work on interior majorly building.
Okay, no
Yeah.
sure.
I'm
So
not remember that questions. I
okay,
think.
you need to be remember because you need to prepare for next companies also. So always
Yeah, yeah,
focus ki what are the question they ask.
yeah. So, yeah. Actually, I have made some questions because previously I just participate interview in Kodiar company, that is a Hyderabad-based company, and they asked me a lot of questions regarding the industry, and every question was so interested. Yes, sir.
Uh,
And I have just
you have a list of the questions?
yeah, I have just prepared this list. I
Okay.
can explain that question also if you want.
No, you just send me that questions, okay?
Yeah,
Because
of course.
if
I
I
will
will go for
send
that,
you.
so mock will
Yeah,
affected. So just send
of
me
course,
the
of
what are the
course,
question they ask. If anything out of the box, we will prepare that.
of
Okay.
course.
So
That is
that
just so interesting questions.
yes. So just send me that
Yeah,
and try to we do the best about the current tool test.
of
Send me
course.
the tool test to what you've done. Then you just send them. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nitish. Just prepare that tool test. I just want selection.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks,
जी.
sir.
Now next is Mr. Jadhav. Mr. Jadhav and Mr. Adarsh. इसके बाद रहेंगे आप जादव के बाद जादव जी ready
Good evening, sir.
good evening Mr. Jadhav how many companies you applied for the job till now
Sir, I have applied for near about 15 companies till
15
now.
you got any response from any companies
Yes, I got one response from one company.
very good
I have completed around two rounds, but the second round was quite difficult for me because the role was I was applied for the role. It was different that I have not read the
JD
job description. Yes, because it was for the mechanical equipment for the mechanical equipment.
ah
Yes, so the company working on the semiconductor plants.
Genesis
Yes, semiconductor plants. So
no
they are
company
they
name
yeah, that is Genesis. So they gave me one tool test, which was that regarding mechanical.
hmm.
So I have to draw the mechanical CAD mechanical drawing into the Revit 3D with the precision.
I
So it was quite difficult. I have completed near about 40%, but they
that
lastly
that was just like a one box in the tool test and in that box you need to
no
put the some object like that
no it was something else.
okay no
We
issue
have we have done it in AutoCAD,
yes
but it was quite difficult in Revit.
Revit. I understand
So
that
we have
isometric
yeah
related
we
topic.
have yeah right. So we it was not difficult, but if I had practice on it, then it will quite easier for me.
I know that
So
ki, that was
yeah
a tool test. I already know about that tool test. If you just discuss
yeah.
with me, I can guide you earlier. But it's okay.
It's,
No issue. So in first round, what are the questions they asked?
it was a simple question like regarding Revit.
Revit related. I just want brief. What are the questions?
Okay, it was like what is the BIM, then view range, copy and monitoring. Then one question was that if a company has some difficult problems, so how will you solve? So this kind of question was there.
गैस ये मैं क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछवा रहा हूँ आपको और जो लोग भी मॉक नहीं अटेंड कर रहे हैं डर के मारे उनको पता चले कि कुछ भी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स नहीं है ओके
Yeah,
ठीक है ये आइडिया आपको होना चाहिए दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट वांट टू ब्रीफ ओके so Mr. Jadhav in second round you just got that in to test and that was actually the time is very less 20 minutes they offer you right
yes. It was like 30 minutes, only 30 minutes, and that I have drawn it. If they gave me the near about 1 hour, then it was
you
possible
can do
for
the
me.
practice if you
Yeah.
earlier you do the practice again if you try to do so that take less
Yes,
time
yes.
okay.
It
Actually
will
I
completed
was
about in 20 to 30
when you
minutes.
just said na semiconductor I just focus on that okay, that was the company
Yeah.
so you can just give the name I can guide you especially for the companies first because you know
No, I was asked for you, but
uh,
you have given me one CAD file, but it was not like that.
oh but no
I
that was for the profile of BIM modeler
yeah. So
in the
this
same
was the
company
problem.
in the same company
Yeah.
and this
Yeah.
was the profile was something different. That's why the change
Semiconductor.
because
Yeah.
I was very much aware with that. Even one student is correct for that profile also.
Yeah. Yeah.
So oh, it's okay. No, so what are the different LODs in the BIM, Mr. Jadhav?
Sir, there are five LEDs like LOD 100, LOD 200, LOD 300, LOD 350, LOD 400, and LOD 500.
So what do you mean by LOD
So,
400 and 500?
okay, LOD 400 is for the fabrication purpose, and LOD 500 is as built, like scan to beam. We did scan to beam in it,
Okay.
point clouding, and this kind of data were
What is
covered
laser?
in this.
What is laser scanner?
Laser scanner is like RCS, and we collect the data from the laser and converts it in the form of small point cloud. It's like RCS file. So that collected data uh, we put in the computer with the help of recap, and from the recap we convert its actual as built model in a Revit model
Full
that we
form of
can work on.
got it. Full form of .rcp and .rcs file format. Full form.
Not now I am not remembering.
Okay, Mr. Where should we hire you, Mr. Jadhav?
Sir, first of all, I am a hardworking person and I am keen to learn the new things and new technologies. So I am quite ready for the new and upcoming technologies that will achieve my performance, and like if suppose new things are there coming, that I will grab that immediately. That's why.
थैंक यू सो मच यादव. जैसे अभी 15 कंपनीज अप्लाई किया ना, जस्ट ट्राई टू अप्लाई इन 150 कंपनीज, ठीक है, जिससे कि हमारे पास सिलेक्शंस की लिमिट ही ना हो और ढेर सारे सिलेक्शंस हो. ओके,
या सर, नो प्रॉब्लम.
वेरी गुड. चलो जी, नेक्स्ट आदर्श
Thank you.
वर्मा जी. ओके जी, आदर्श वर्मा जी.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग जी. नाउ मिस्टर आदर्श रेडी?
Yes, sir.
सो जस्ट ट्राई टू ऑन वीडियो मिस्टर आदर्श, सो दैट कि आपको भी इंट्रोडक्शन कब मिले.
Video is sir on, sir.
ये तुम्हारा वीडियो दिखता क्यों नहीं यार? फिर लास्ट टाइम भी ऐसा हुआ, अभी
क्या
हो गया.
कहते हैं?
अभी दिख रहा है. हाँ, ओके. द थीम इज वेरी नाइस, कल्चरल थीम है.
Thank you, sir.
That is available in the Google Meet.
Yes, sir.
Maybe that is in the trending में ही होगा ये तो. Let's try. Oh yes, this is new.
Yes.
I'll just try also. Okay, so Mr. Adarsh, first of all, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Er.Akash Verma. I am from Devariya, currently living in Faridabad. I have completed my graduation in BTech Civil Engineering in 2022, and currently I am pursuing my apprenticeship from Regional Center of Biotechnology, Faridabad, and along with that uh, I am pursuing BIM internship course from Unique Civil. Uh, in this course, I am able to learn Revit, AutoCAD 2D, 3D, Revit architecture, Revit structure, Revit MEP, Tekla, and my short-term goal is to learn these skills, and long-term goal is to make a career in BIM industry.
In how many companies till now you applied for the BIM profile job?
Sir, currently I have not applied till now, but in few days I will start applying.
Why not apply till now?
Sir, because my previous lectures are not completed yet, so that's why I'm just completing and trying to apply.
Try to apply fast because the time is very
Yes.
important. Right? And you
Yes.
in how many lectures you watch in Tekla then?
Sir, Tekla, I have just started of the first lecture, and And recently I completed Revit MEP lectures.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you understand by AHU unit? What is AHU?
The AHU is air handling unit, in which the building have AHU unit on each floors, from where the air which is going inside the rooms are filtered and rehumidified, and there are so many components which are present in AHU, like humidifier, filters, coils, where the air is uh, passes the air passes from AHU unit, and then transferred to supply to the other rooms.
Very good. How to import scan to beam file in Revit?
Uh, Scan to beam files, sir.
Because you're not attending that lecture.
Yes.
That's why I'm asking this question. Our company ने पूछ लिया क्या करोगे? Already recording is there. Just try to watch the recording. Okay?
Yes.
In
Yes.
Skills Gurukul website, there is a recording. Just try to watch that recording. Okay? So that
Yes.
you can learn. That is very important. And now, what are the file formats in Revit?
Sir, dot RVT and dot RFA, dot RT is dot RTE, and so on.
Okay. In my company, there is a 2-year bond, Mr. Others. Are you comfortable to work with us?
Yes, sir, I can join.
Okay. Why?
Sir, because I want to learn this skill in depth, so 2 years will be enough for me to explore depthly of the working.
ओके वेरी गुड थैंक यू सो मच आदर्श आदर्श जल्दी से लेक्चर को बढ़ावा अभी पुराना मत कवर करना टेक्ला पे फोकस करो पता चला पुराने चक्कर में ये भी चला जाएगा ठीक है यही गलती होती है लोग जैसे तुम्हारा स्कैन भी छूट गया अभी तुम्हारा नुकसान है ठीक है कवर करो
Yes.
ठीक है क्योंकि एक डाउट सेशन भी होगा डाउट सेशन उन्हीं को फायदा करेगा जो पुराना वाच के रहेंगे है ना
Yes.
चलेगा ओके जी नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर विष्णु आई थिंक विष्णु इज द लास्ट वन Vishnu ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But video is not playing.
Okay.
Right.
That is fine. Right. So you are just sitting in aquarium, right? You are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Non-vegetarian.
So don't eat that. That fish. Okay. Now,
Okay.
so Mr. Vishnu, right now you have any you just looking for the BIM job or not?
Yes, sir. I am looking for a BIM job.
Okay. So you applied in organizations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In which company you applied? You got any shortlisting from there?
Some is shortlisted, sir.
Okay.
2-3 companies are shortlisted.
Very nice. So you faced any interview?
No, sir. I am rescheduling the interview because my time is very less due to March now, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So many checkings and auditing is going on.
Try to take the leave for the day, at least for a day, so that
Yeah.
rescheduling is not that much good for the next company's impressions. Okay, if you do the
Okay.
rescheduling 2 or 3 times, they will feel like you are the very careless persons. Okay,
Mhm.
because see, you are not working for your own company, you are working for someone else's company, right? So try to take the responsibility, but not that much कि I'm the only person to do that. Okay? कभी कभी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है इन कंपनीज विल फील लाइक कि हमसे ही कंपनी चल रही है और ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी भूल होती है ओके वी आर नॉट प्लेइंग द कंपनी ठीक है इफ़ यू वांट टू जस्ट लेफ्ट फॉर द 1 मंथ देखो आपका अल्टरनेट आ जाएगा 2 मिनट के अंदर तो ये मत सोचना कि किसी भी काम का मैं ही जिम्मेदार हूँ और मैं नहीं रहूँगा तो नहीं होगा बिल्कुल भी नहीं आप सिर्फ एक तरीके से होता है ना चेस में जैसे सिपाही होते हैं यू आर जस्ट दैट सोल्जर्स ठीक है आप चेस के किंग नहीं है किंग होंगे अपनी कंपनी के बेसिकली जस्ट टेक द लीड डू द इंटरव्यू ठीक है, जितना
Okay.
इम्पोर्टेंट काम है, बिल्कुल मैं मानता हूँ इम्पोर्टेंट काम इज इम्पोर्टेंट, वर्क जो है वो सही करना चाहिए, बट आपके फ्यूचर से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है.
हाँ, वो तो सही है सर.
Yes. So in how many companies you apply, got the shortlisting, and how you approach that companies?
Through Naukri and LinkedIn, sir.
Okay. LinkedIn direct chat or with the company's employees, or easy apply?
By posting the job opportunities, no, sir.
Okay.
That's
From there you got the shortlisting. Okay.
charge.
Okay. No,
Just a minute, sir. I will plug my.
no, you can just mute if you want to do something. You can just mute. ठीक है, तो guys देखिए हमें सीखना.
Okay.
Okay. So now just explain us about record drawing. Record drawings.
Record drawings are drawings which the projects is going on and updating the our drawing sheet.
Okay. Minimum and maximum percentage of steel in column.
Minimum and maximum percentage in steel in column 0.4% to 0.6%.
0.4.
0.4% to 6%, sir. Column.
Just focus. I don't want. I'm not expecting the answer from you.
Yes, sir. It's a right.
Is 0.86 to 4%. Is the criteria. Yes.
Okay.
Is 0.8.
Yes.
Minimum 0.8. Actually, it's not 0.8. It's 0.86. And
0.86.
maximum 4% as per the IS code, 6% in the rarest case, not in the all cases. So 0.8 to 6 is the as per the IS code. But practically we prefer 0.8 to
Okay.
4%. Okay. Column is a tensor member or compression member?
Column is a compression member, sir. Beam is a flexure member.
Beam is a flexible member. Okay. How much lapping we provide in beam?
Lapping in provide in 45D
In tensor or compression?
in a say tensions. Not exactly, but it's a I think tensions.
What is the anchor bar?
What is a anchor bar? Anchor bar is a holds. It's a L bend of things. It's a stirrup actually.
Then difference between stirrups and ties?
Stirrups and ties. In a column, it is a stirrup, but it's a column in a ties. It when comes to a beam, it's a stirrup.
What is the use of crank bar?
Crank bar, negative bending moment we can control with crank bar.
Okay, how much we provide crank bars?
Sir,
In beam, how much we provide crank bar? L by 2, L by 1, L by 0,
L by 4, sir. L by 4 and L by 6.
L by 4. Okay. Where we provide side or face reinforcement?
Side on face reinforcement. Sir, can you repeat it?
Face reinforcement or side reinforcement? You understand face reinforcement or side reinforcement?
I don't know. Right now, I'm not remembering.
Okay. When when beam size is more than 450 mm and we consider the torsion, we provide inside reinforcement. Side में reinforcement provide करते हैं ना beam के अंदर, तो that is side reinforcement. So that we provide if we consider torsion, तो less than greater than 450 mm beam, we provide side reinforcement. If we provide singly reinforced beam, if that is more than 750 mm depth, we consider side reinforcement. Okay, just try to read after this mocks about side by Google. You can get the all information. Okay, no sure, thank you so much Vishnu, but अभी कोशिश करो कि इंटरव्यू दो और ये जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं ना इन पे वर्क करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? और इसके लिए ना मॉक जरूर दो. कैसे होता है कि मॉक नहीं दोगे तो फिर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ नहीं पाऊंगा, आप तो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा नहीं, ठीक है? तो मॉक देके क्वेश्चंस का आपको क्लैरिफिकेशन आएगा. फिर अगर आप मॉक दे रहे हैं, मैं चाहूँगा कि कोई भी मॉक आप मिस कर ना करें, ठीक है?
ठीक.
ओके जी, वेरी गुड। तो गाइस जैसे आप जब मॉक देते हैं तो ये चीज़ें आपकी क्लियर होती है, मुझे भी आपको ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस आइडिया देने का गाइड मिलता है कि हाँ यार ये क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछना है। अमित कुमार अब जस्ट अभी आया शायद, रेडी फॉर द मॉक मिस्टर अमित? ठीक है, तो आप लोग को कुछ नहीं करना है गाइस, हमें छोटा सा ही टास्क है क्योंकि टेक्ला में अभी आपको मॉडलिंग अभी स्टार्ट होने में समय है। लेक्चर 13 से मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट होता है। जस्ट वॉच द लेक्चर नंबर 3 एंड 4, ठीक है, वो लेक्चर ही वॉच करना रहेगा। बेसिक बेसिक चीज़ें उसमें जस्ट उनको देखना है, समझना है। लेक्चर 13 से मॉडलिंग स्टार्ट है बेसिकली, ठीक है, यही हमारा वॉच रहेगा। आराम से करिए, कल टेक्ला में काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको क्लियर जो भी करनी होगी सारी चीज़ें क्लियर कर देंगे, फिर टेक्ला को एक तरीके से कल से बनाना शुरू कर देंगे, ठीक है। जस्ट वॉच लेक्चर नंबर 3, दैट्स इट।
सर
हाँ जी।
सर वो ऑफिस वाले कंप्यूटर में ये